Hello everybody, my name is Maxim Yefimov. I'm the chair of Youth Human Rights Group of Karelia. 67 years ago was the victory over Nazism. 21 years ago another totalitarian regime known as communism was crushed. But nowadays we observe the resurgence of Nazism, fascism and communism with the political repressions in our European continent. We face with religious extremism, Holocaust denial, racial anti-Semitism, xenophobia, attacks, intimidations, threats against human rights defenders, anti-fascists, journalists, migrants, foreign students. We face hate crimes, human rights violations, discriminations, persecution of dissidents by modern KGB in Russia. So, as a human rights defender and a blogger, I would like to stop these non-democratic tendencies and manifestations.